How high will NIR go in the 2024 bull market? In this video I share my NIR price prediction for 2024 with long and short term analysis, and we'll have potential price targets and potential buy zones for NIR to make maximum profits in 2024. So let's go straight into the content. NIR is on place 29 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $3 billion. The coin is existent since 2020 and we saw the all-time high in 2022. And after we built the all-time high, we saw this crash to lower levels. We came all the way down into this demand zone, and this demand zone was the start of this massive push to the upside. And as we came in the second time in this demand zone, we then saw this bullish reaction to the upside, and we also broke this last highs here to the upside, which is a really bullish sign. And if we now can continue the bullish momentum, we have to break this supply zone, and this supply zone is technically strong because we saw this move to lower levels we made in lower low, so the chance that we are seeing a reaction right here is very high. But if we're breaking this supply zone to the upside with a weekly body close, then the chance is extremely high that we can see higher prices for NIR. And then the first really interesting price target is this high right here, because you can see on the daily chart we started this bearish move from this high, and often over important highs there's much liquidity, so the chance that we are reaching this kind of goal is very high. And after this price target I expect a larger pullback, because often over important highs people are taking profits, so the price will move down again. But there's also a great chance to buy some more coins in this higher low, and if we then find acceptance again over this highs, then the chance is high that we can see even higher prices. And then of course the last really interesting price target is this all-time high right here, and from the prices right now to the all-time high we would have a potential of nearly 600%, and I think this is already a great potential for NIR. But the best coins are also exploding over their last all-time high, and I think NIR protocol has the chance to also break over its last all-time high. And for calculating a potential price target we are using the Fibonacci tool from the swing high to the swing low, and then we are getting this potential price targets. And if we have a look at the 3.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $72. If we have a look at the 2.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of nearly $53. And I think a potential price target for the next bull run would be in between these two levels, because NIR is a great project with very nice fundamentals. And I could imagine that much money flows into NIR, that we reach this kind of price targets. And from the prices right now to the first target, we would have a potential of 1,600%. And if we would reach the $72, we would have a price target of 2,300%. And I think this would be an amazing deal for NIR. Of course, guys, this is just the orientation with the Fibonacci tool, but it's very realistic that we could see these prices for NIR, especially if much money flows into the whole crypto market. And if we have a look at the total crypto market cap, we can see this bullish momentum. And if we now can continue this bullish momentum to the upside, and if we also would reach this all-time highs, and if enough money comes from retailers and big institutions into the crypto market, then the chance is extremely high that we can also see even higher prices for the total crypto market cap, especially with the now approved Bitcoin spot ETF. I think on the long run there are very high prices for the whole crypto market and especially also NIR. So we looked for potential price targets, and now we are looking for potential buy areas for NIR. And I think this area is already an interesting buy zone, because we saw this larger push to the upside. We then saw this reaction to the downside again, and we are now seeing this massive wicks right here, and we now couldn't break this last low with a body close. And if we have a range low, and if we just take some liquidity with this wick right here and close over this line, then the chance is high that we can now see a bullish move again. So I think this could be a potential higher low. And if you're not invested in NIR right now, I think this potential price area could be a very nice entry for the long run. But if we're seeing lower prices again, then I would first have a look at this demand zone right here, because this demand zone was the start of this massive push to the upside. So if we're coming again back into this demand zone and we don't see lower levels, and if we then see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think this could be an amazing buy zone area for the long run. And of course always, if we see lower prices on NIR, the potential to the upside is even bigger. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like NIR, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So again guys, I think NIR is a great project with very nice fundamentals. From the prices right now to the all-time high, we would have a potential of 600%, which is already an amazing deal. But I think that we could see this potential price targets for the next bull run, because I think NIR is one of the best crypto altcoins for this bull run. But of course guys, don't put your whole money into one crypto coin. A good risk management is very important for investing, so please keep this in mind guys. And if you want to see my H-bar price prediction for 2024, then click on the video in the credits. I also have a playlist on my channel with all of my crypto coin price predictions for 2024. Feel free to check it out. So thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading, and see you in the next one.